B2B lead generation with AI. Examples and proven strategies. AnyBiz. Understanding B2B leads is essential for effective strategies. B2B leads are companies seeking services or products from other businesses, not individuals like in B2C. B2B transactions involve longer decision-making processes, extended sales cycles, focus on long-term relationships, and generally have higher transaction values. In B2B lead generation, focusing on quality over quantity is crucial. High-quality leads, which have genuine interest and purchasing power, are more likely to convert into sales. Effective strategies prioritize these top prospects to maximize conversion rates. Successful B2B lead generation involves marketing teams attracting prospects, sales professionals converting them, and digital strategists managing online efforts. Data analysts refine strategies, customer service maintains engagement, and IT ensures technical support. Coordination among these stakeholders is essential for optimizing lead generation. In the B2B lead generation lifecycle, AI integration plays a crucial role across all stages, identifying target markets, capturing leads, qualifying them, and executing conversion strategies. 10 AI-proven strategies for growth in B2B lead generation. 1. Predictive analytics. AI improves targeting accuracy by analyzing data to identify trends and target demographics. 2. Chatbots for lead capture. AI-driven chatbots engage and qualify leads around the clock, boosting lead engagement. 3. Personalized communication. AI tailors messages based on lead behavior, improving relevance and conversion rates. 4. AI in content generation. AI creates relevant content at scale, attracting and nurturing leads effectively. 5. Machine learning for lead scoring. AI predicts lead conversion likelihood, enhancing sales team efficiency. 6. AI-enhanced CRM tools. AI automates lead management, offering insights and personalized interactions. 7. Automated email marketing. AI customizes email content and timing for each lead, increasing engagement. 8. Social media targeting with AI. AI optimizes social media ads and retargeting efforts for better audience reach. 9. AI integration with IoT. AI analyzes IoT data for insights on customer behavior and product performance. 10. Real-time marketing strategy adjustments. AI analytics enable quick modifications to marketing strategies based on real-time data. Case studies and examples. Successful AI implementation in B2B lead generation. IBM leveraged its AI technology Watson to enhance B2B lead generation efforts. By analyzing consumer data, Watson personalized marketing strategies and predicted high-converting leads. The results were impressive, with IBM reporting a 25% increase in sales leads and a 30% boost in campaign success. Salesforce's Einstein AI boosts sales productivity by 15% by prioritizing leads, allowing sales teams to spend 20% less time on non-selling tasks, resulting in more focus on high-potential leads. Adobe employs AI within its Adobe Experience Cloud to refine B2B marketing strategies, achieving a 20% increase in lead engagement and a 10% rise in lead conversion rates. These enhancements are attributed to more efficient and personalized marketing messaging. AnyBiz leads in AI-powered B2B lead generation by automating tasks, operating 24/7 globally, providing advanced personalization, making intelligent decisions, and offering cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional outsourcing, AnyBiz reduces human error, scales effortlessly, integrates seamlessly, and adjusts strategies in real time. AnyBiz stands out with its multi-channel engagement, automated email handling, personalized landing pages, and smart decision-making. It's a game changer for B2B lead generation, offering smarter, more efficient, and highly scalable solutions compared to traditional methods. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.